In this video, I will explain order of operations. Remember that when you're doing order of operations, you must follow PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E exponents, multiply and divide, and add and subtract. Remember that multiply and divide, you don't necessarily do multiply first. If divide is on the left, you do it first because you go left to right. The same is true for addition and subtraction. So let's solve this problem together. 3 times 20 in parentheses minus 3 squared plus 45. So we know that our parentheses is first, therefore we solve what is inside the parentheses first. If I have 3 20s, it is 20, 40, 60. Write it underneath. We just copy everything down so that this will be an algebraic expression solved in the correct format. Format is very important. Now we go back to our checklist. We did the parentheses. Do we have exponents? Yes, we do. 3 squared is an exponent, and you know it means 3 times 3, which is 9. Copy everything else down as we solve one step at a time. Next is multiply and divide. We don't have any. Add and subtract left to right. That means I will do this first because it's on the left. 60 take away 9 is 51 plus 45. That equals 96. Okay, let's do another one. 51 divided by 17 plus 4 times 3. Remember, PEMDAS is our checkoff to keep our operations in order. We do not have parentheses. We do not have any exponents. Therefore, we go on to multiply and divide. We have multiply and we have divide. Which one is on the left? Divide. So we will start here. 51 divided by 17. Well, I don't want to do it in my head because this is my math work and I want to make sure that I'm right. I think it might be 3. A 3 would end in a 1 because 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. The answer is 3. Therefore, I put a 3 under it, copy everything else down. And then I go ahead and I do my 4 times 3, which is
12.
That's Parker. Last step is to add. Copy everything down like I did. 3 plus 12 is
15.
You're getting dual teaching today. We're co-teaching, Parker and I. And the answer would be 15. Okay, now this one, we do have parentheses, we do have exponents, we have some division, and we have add and subtract. So parentheses, within parentheses, we still follow the order of operations, meaning we will do 6 squared first. 6 squared is 6 times 6, which is
36.
Very good, Parker. Copy everything else down, my friends. Now I know I have to do the rest of in parentheses next, but I'm not going to do that in my head. I'm going to borrow on paper, and I know 16 minus 8 is
8.
And 2 minus nothing is
2.
Therefore, my answer is
28.
Copy everything else down. Now divide is next. Because parentheses are done, we did our exponents. We don't have multiply, but we do have divide. 42 divided by 3, I am not going to do that in my head because I don't want to miss it. And 3 goes into 4 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract and you get 1. Bring down your 2. 3 goes into 12 4 times, making my answer
12.
That's incorrect, Parker. It's 14. He doesn't know long division yet, you guys. But that's okay because he's becoming a math wizard just like you. And then we have to do adding 14 plus 28. And I know 8 plus 4.
Is 12.
Put the 2, carry the 1, and 2 plus 1.
Is 3 plus 1 is 4. And that makes our answer 42.
Put it on the bottom. We have nice, neat rows.